In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and click on the password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!